Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to be doing a vanity mirror unboxing, and this mirror is from Amazon. And if you guys are not new to my channel, then you would probably know that I already have a vanity mirror, but the vanity mirror that I have was for my smaller desk, and just last year I did my own DIY vanity desk, and it's way bigger now than the one that I had before. The one that I had before was actually like a school type of desk, but I made it into a vanity. So this mirror that I have now is perfect for that size type of desk table. This time I needed something to match with my current vanity desk that I have right now. And if you want to see me unbox my smaller vanity mirror too, I'll leave that video down below. The video that I did for the DIY vanity desk that I did last year will be linked down below as well. I'm going to be taking my cute little cloud, but it's not just any cloud, it's a box cutter, okay? Because like I just love how this is so cute but yet dangerous at the same time. I did get this from Amazon as well. It came in a little pack and it was super affordable. But now I'm just going to be opening this. Right when I open the box, the mirror is packaged very well, so I'm so excited to see how it looks. Oh my gosh, you guys see this? It's so big, so pretty. You see how it's protected inside? Like I really like that. Like I love that a lot. But first it came with this box, and this box comes with the cord in order for you to light up the vanity mirror. And it's already assembled too, so you don't even have to worry about putting it together, because I know that can be a hassle. Oh, it comes with a little mirror too with suction cups, and I'm not trying to blind y'all, so yeah, this is what the suction cups look like. It comes with two. Then lastly, it came with wall mount supplies, like the screw and like the wall mount stuff, and it came with a little cloth so you can wipe down the mirror. But yeah, you can put this on the wall if you want to. All you have to do is unscrew the bottom, like take the bottom piece off and hang it on the wall. So that's a nice option that it has with it. I just love how this is so big, and it's also lightweight. It's not like really lightweight to where it's cheap, but it's like carryable still, but it's not like bulky heavy, you know. I'll just talk to you guys when I'm about to put this mirror on my desk. So this is the mirror that I currently have, and as you can see, it still works good, it still works the same and all that. I already have everything set up for my no vanity mirror, which I'm so excited. It's gonna look so freaking good. And before I turn it around and set it up, I just want to show you guys how it does have the wall mount little pieces on the side right here. It just comes with two that you can mount on the wall. And this is how the back looks like. And on the side of this mirror, you can plug in your phone charger, and that's probably one of my favorite things about this mirror. So turn it around. Ooh, I need to make more space for it. And this is how it looks when it's on my vanity desk, and it looks so good. I cannot wait to plug it in, turn it on, and show you guys how the lights work and everything like that. Let me just wipe it down before I show you guys up close and personal, because I do have some fingerprints on it. Now I'm just going to be plugging it up, but usually how I plug up my mirror is that I plug it up from the back. So I just move this up a little bit, then squeeze it behind, and it just plugs in from the side. And now we're just gonna see how this turns on. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, let me just, ooh, oh my gosh, y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's so bright. And I think this is on the yellow setting, so oh wait, okay, so there's 3 settings. So this is the yellow setting, then this is the, okay, so this is the mixture, This is the yellow setting, and this is just the daylight vanity, very cool setting. So this is how it looks, and oh my gosh, like it's so big and it's so pretty. It's like the perfect vanity mirror for this type of desk, or just for any type of desk that's like really big, because this is perfect. Like the size of it is perfect, and there's literally 17 light bulbs, and it's just perfect for this desk. Like I keep saying that, but no, seriously, it really is. When you press the M right there, this is where you change the light colors, and this is the yellow light or warm light, and it's just like that over there, like my lamp light, but more on the warm side, and it's LED. And this is how it looks. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is the warm light, and I think this is the mixture or the cool light. No, this is the mixture right here. This is the mixture between the cool and the warm. Back to warm, then this is the cool light right here. It's so perfect. Then the P is where you want to lower it or brighten it, and just tap it again if you want to make it brighter, or just tap it again if you want to make it lower. And when it's low dim like this, it looks so pretty, because sometimes like we don't want to have these bright lights in our face like that, because for me, I'm kind of prone to get headaches easily a little bit, and this is honestly perfect for me, because if I want it low, this can get really low but still show some light. So I'm gonna put it in the middle like that, and I'm gonna go back to the in between the warm and the cool, and this is honestly probably my favorite setting, just because it's not too much. It's the perfect mixture of the warm and the cool. This is the type of bottom part that it has. Is just a rectangle matte bottom part, and the sides of it is matte too, which I honestly don't mind because my desk is matte. So as you can see right here, it's pretty matte, but it's honestly not even that noticeable because this is matte too, so everything is matching perfectly. On the sides of this too, you can tell that this is a real mirror and it's not fake glass, because you can definitely see the glass that's on the side right here. And the light bulbs are really good quality. Nothing is wrong with them. If you want to turn it off, on, and it's very easy to touch, so you don't have to worry about if you have to press hard or anything. You really do not have to do all of that, seriously. And really quick, I'm going to show you guys how this part works, because you guys are probably curious since I have not shown that part yet. I'm glad this part is covered up, because you never know. And you can tell too that it works because the light is red right here. This is a port. All you have to do is slide it in. You can plug in your phone and it's charging. So that's how that works. This is how it looks when you put the camera or your phone in your face. This mirror is perfect for TikTok, Instagram. Like the lighting of it, it's so perfect. Even YouTube videos, because as you can see me very clearly. Another really cool thing about this mirror is that it has a memory on it. So let's say you want to have it really low. Let's say you put it really low on any light. You turn it off. A couple minutes later or whatever passes, turn it back on, it stays this low. Once you unplug it, then it forgets whatever setting it was on. But if you have it plugged in still, then it'll remember, so you don't even have to worry about that at all. And the cord of this mirror is pretty long too, as you can see. So I have it plugged between. If you don't want a super big mirror like this that has 17 bulbs, they do have that option if you want to get a medium size mirror, and I think that only comes with 15 bulbs, but I'll link that one down below as well in case you guys are interested in that one. But for me, this is perfect because it's a little bit more taller, and I like my mirror pretty big, because if you guys didn't know, if you have a small room or a small space, mirrors open up the space even more. So this definitely opens up my tiny room so much. And guess how much this mirror was? Wasn't 300, wasn't 200, no.
It was only $150, and they always have sales and coupons, so you can save even more money on this gorgeous mirror. It's so nice, and I just love this bar right here. It's like the perfect, it's just perfect for my vanity desk that I built. I honestly take pride that I built my own vanity desk, because come on, like, girl power, hello, like, very independent woman over here, okay? And the link for this exact vanity mirror will be linked down below for you guys, and also for the medium size of this mirror. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoy beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, or if this video just helped you out in general. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.